Changing your own oil ensures your car lives a good, long life. Just be sure to use a healthy, low-calorie oil with no trans fat. I'm kidding. Here's how you correctly change the oil on a 2010 to 2017 Chevy Equinox with the infamous 2.4-liter oil burner. Once you have safely supported the vehicle, using ramps or jack stands, locate and remove the 15mm drain plug to drain the old oil. Keep in mind, oil will shoot out, so make sure you place the catch can accordingly. While that drains, now is a great time to look over your brakes and suspension for anything that needs repaired or replaced. If it all looks good, we can move on to changing the filter. The easiest way to change these cartridge-style GM filters is to use a 3/8 ratchet with a couple extensions, a swivel joint, and an 1.25" oil filter socket. The one I'm using happens to be from Lisle. Then, just sneak it down onto the cap and loosen it until you can pull it out. Next, just pull off the old filter and O-ring. Wipe the cap clean and install the new filter and O-ring. To install, thread the filter back in hand tight, then use the ratchet to snug it up. Now that the oil is completely drained, we can install the drain plug and add the oil. This car takes 5 quarts of Dexos approved 5W30. In my case, I'm using Valvoline high mileage, full synthetic 5W30. With new blood in the system, it is important to reset the oil life indicator, which you do by hitting set clear, up arrow to yes, and set clear again to confirm. And there you have it, it's that easy. I would recommend checking the oil periodically, as these 2.4 liters are notorious for burning oil. And as Lubrications 3:16 states, "He who is without oil throws the first rod."